with a new video today. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English with Amarachi. And today I'll be talking to you about two words that many people find difficult to make use of. Those two words are make and do. So why do people find it difficult to make use of those words? Probably because they are similar in meaning. In many languages, it's either you make use of make or you make use of do. We'll be talking about all of that in today's video. Sit back and be ready to learn. So, the difference between the both of them is that when you talk about make, we're talking about creation, creating something. And when we talk about do, we're talking about completing a task which probably we must have started some time ago, or something that is a continuous activity, or that is to say that we do those things every single day. For example, we do our chores, we do our laundry, we do our homework, we do our exercises, we do our experiments. These things are activities we do all the time. And at the end of the video, I've put together some 10 questions for you to try yourself in the use of make and do. So I've got those words for you to learn from. I've got those words for you to try making use of them.
So let's make a few examples using some of the words on this list, and I'm going to pick them randomly. First off, I have tea or coffee. For example, can I make you a cup of tea or make you a cup of coffee? Which do you prefer? Again, I have friends. I like making lots of friends. And I have discovery. I've just made a beautiful discovery, guys. I have suggestion. I have a suggestion to make. Now, when we talk about business, we make use of the word make. For example, I need to make a good investment so that I can make profit and avoid making losses. So these are the few ways we can make use of the words make. Now let's look at making use of the word do. And remember we say do is completing a task which has begun already. Now here when we talk about house chores, we make use of the word do and not make, except for some exceptions such as making our bed. For example, every morning when I wake up, the first thing I do is I make my bed and not I do my bed. So I have these few words here and I'll be picking randomly to make examples with them. First up, I have shopping. I have to do some shopping today. I have little. There's little I can do about this. I have your best. You need to do your best at all times.
So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned from it and I hope you enjoyed it even as much as I enjoyed making this video for you. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe, support this channel, let it grow, and give this video a thumbs up if you've learned from it and if you find it helpful. About the questions which I set at the end of the video, you're free to send in your answers at the comment section down below and I'll try my best to make corrections. God bless you for watching and I will see you in another one. Keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.